Illusions. Illusions. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, it's a living dog. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, no. What? Magic.
Nice.
Yeah, it's alive. It's alive. If it moves, it lives. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Be still, be still. The batteries will run out. Beep, 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 beep.
Do that.
Beep, 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 beep. Newspaper we know. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, it's alive, it moves. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Yes. I will now do the classic trick, the champagne in the newspaper. I will take the champagne, I will pour it in the newspaper like this. All the champagne in the newspaper like that. It's gone! It's gone! Thank you so much. Oh no, champagne, oh no, champagne. In your face!
In your face!
Two dogs. One dog. It's gone! Magic! The newspaper! Yay! Oh! Woo-hoo! Yay!
Fantastic!
Yay! Thank you! Oh my God! Thank you! You sound like a bird too.
I
Beck, can you please come? I know you like birds. Please.
Oh, he's brilliant, isn't he? What a hoot! He's a hoot. Huh? Got it?
What's your name?
My name is Håkan Berg. Håkan Berg.
Håkan Berg.
Beep, beep, beep.
Where are you from, Håkan?
I'm from Sweden.
Amazing. I thought it was absolutely hilarious. Brilliantly barking mad and funny in all the right places.
Thank you.
I loved it.
Thank you.
Just love things that are just absolutely silly. But you did come in, I did think, he seems like a bit of a I was wrong.
Like when I first met you. Yeah, Håkan, look, I think interestingly with you, the less we know about you makes you more interesting.
Do you think if we get to know him, he'll be boring?
You're funny, and I think you're clever as well.
Thank you.
Yeah, clever.
You are just very natural. And it was very kind of Tommy Cooper-esque.
But I love Tommy Cooper and
Oh, okay.
John Cleese and that.
Yes,
that
well,
kind
that's
of
kind of exactly how it felt. Kind of oddly British, even though it was eccentrically Swedish. So, we're going to vote.
We are. I'd like to say yes.
I'm going to say yes.
I'm going to say yes.
And I'm saying yes. 4 yeses. Well done.
Thank you. I'm done, right?
You're done.
Yeah.